Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April 2025, our system has ranked Broadcom as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.88. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 36.1% since we first listed Broadcom as a buy candidate 35 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.03% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 49.1% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 23.74% to 56.94%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 35.95%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 15.37% to positive 39.5% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price range between $216.71 and $357.21. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Broadcom stock price ended at $256.07 on Thursday, after gaining 1.25%. The Broadcom stock price gained 1.25% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, rising from $252.91 to $256.07. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.36%, with a low of $249.50 and a high of $257.88. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares traded for approximately $5 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $265.43, and the lowest price was $128.50. Currently, the price is 3.53%, or $9.36, below the 52-week high of $265.43, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom Incorporated, trading under the symbol AVGO, has experienced notable momentum, particularly following its impressive second quarter results, which showcased a remarkable 20% year-over-year revenue growth. This surge is primarily attributed to the soaring demand for artificial intelligence hardware, solidifying Broadcom's position as a key player in the AI infrastructure space. As the company leverages its strengths in custom silicon and networking, it holds a strategic edge with offerings such as Ethernet and ultra-fast switches, which are increasingly essential for technology giants like Google and Meta. The company's ability to generate strong free cash flow and maintain a disciplined capital return strategy reinforces investor confidence, especially in a highly competitive environment. Analysts remain optimistic, emphasizing Broadcom's potential for ongoing revaluation as the AI sector continues to evolve. Short-term impacts on AVGO stock price are likely tied to market reactions to these favorable earnings and strategic insights. Over the long term, the company's integration of AI into various facets of its business model positions it well for sustainable growth and profitability. Although AVGO's current valuation appears high compared to competitors like NVIDIA, its solid execution and innovative edge in the semiconductor market justify this premium. Investors may find Broadcom a compelling choice in the technology sector, especially as artificial intelligence continues to drive operational demand and revenue streams. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company provided AVGO with a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned AVGO an outperform grade coupled with a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, Citigroup rated AVGO with a buy grade and a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, Barclays assigned AVGO an overweight grade with a hold action. Finally, on Wednesday, the 2nd of April 2025, Daiwa awarded AVGO a buy grade alongside an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book value is also rated as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. Today, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 1.92%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, Broadcom stock also shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook. There is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average sits above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the lines at $252.26 and $225.95. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, this stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 51 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 34 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 37 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving average shows a buy signal from 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $246.93. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.38 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.36%. For the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.30%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.68. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $256.85. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom encounters its first support level at $246.93. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Justine Page conducted an insider sale of 800 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Henry Samueli made an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Harry Lu also made an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Justine Page again conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Kian Lochek made an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 17.049. Overall, insiders purchased 2,198,636 shares and sold 3,059,366 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $246.76, reflecting a decrease of 3.64%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Broadcom stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we anticipate that Broadcom will open lower by $1.59, starting at $254.48. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.